Many health problems come from nutrient deficiencies. Your body needs a variety of vitamins and minerals to function properly. When you don't get enough, you may feel tired, weak, or even develop serious health conditions. Did you know that OU can fix most deficiencies with the right foods? Let us explore common deficiencies and the surprising foods that can help. Iron deficiency. Pumpkin seeds are a great plant-based iron source with added magnesium benefits. Dark chocolate contains iron and antioxidants for better absorption. Lentils are packed with fiber and iron, perfect for vegetarians. Did you know that cooking in a cast iron skillet can actually increase the iron content of your food? This is an easy way to boost iron intake naturally. Vitamin D deficiency. Mushrooms are the only plant-based source of vitamin D. Egg yolks are rich in vitamin D and essential fats. Small fishes, such as herring and sardines, are loaded with vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. Mushrooms produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, just like human skin. Leaving them in the sun for a few hours before eating can boost their vitamin D levels. Magnesium deficiency. Bananas are a quick snack loaded with magnesium. Dark leafy greens such as spinach and Swiss chard provide high magnesium levels. Almonds support muscle and nerve function. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Nutritional yeast is a great vitamin B12 source for vegans. Clams are the highest natural source of vitamin B12. Greek yogurt provides probiotics and vitamin B12. Zinc deficiency. Pumpkin seeds are a great plant-based zinc source. Chickpeas are a great zinc source. Oysters are YHE richest natural zinc source. Calcium deficiency. Sesame seeds are a great source of calcium. Sardines are dairy-free calcium source. Figs are a naturally sweet way to boost calcium. Omega-3 deficiency. Chia seeds are plant-based omega-3 powerhouse. Walnuts are brain-boosting nuts rich in healthy fats. Flax seeds are an easy way to add omega-3 to meals. Potassium deficiency. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense alternative to white potatoes. Coconut water is a hydrating drink rich in potassium. Leaves of beets are a powerful potassium source. Iodine deficiency. Seaweeds are a natural iodine-rich superfood. Cranberries are rich in iodine content. Yogurt is a probiotic food that also supports thyroid health. Fiber deficiency. Pears are a fiber-rich fruit that aids digestion. Lentils are gut-friendly legumes with high fiber content. Avocados are rich in fiber and healthy fats. Small dietary changes can fix common deficiencies. By choosing the right foods, you can improve energy, brain health, immunity, and overall well-being. Prioritize whole, nutrient-rich foods to stay healthy and strong. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.